hey, we can finally download calculator on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. And to do this, all you have to do is just to open your device in the Huawei Health application. Then you will have to scroll down for the app gallery. And now you will have to wait and click find one calculator application and simply tap on the install button. And now you just have to wait until the download process will be finished. As you can see, it appears just right here at the bottom of the screen. So it was the transferring, and now it is installing. And now, when it will be finished, you will be able to find this application just right here on your watch. And it appears just right here. Take a look. There is the calculator. Currently, I just cannot turn it on because it's still installing. But it will be finished. I can accept, and here I can find the calculator on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Let me just catch focus. There we go. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.